park.
Hi, my toy park buddies. What a surprise we have here. It's Peppa Pig and her brother George. How are you today? We are fine, thank you. What a surprise. What are you doing here? Oh, we both are opening a new burger place here. Oh, wow. That's lovely. Why are you doing that? We are earning some money for our poor school. Oh, I'm proud of you, Peppa Pig and George. That's a good deed you're doing. Yes, thank you. So, what are you serving in your restaurant? Oh, we are serving burgers, pies, ice cream, sodas. Oh, but do you know how to make them? Uh-oh. No, we didn't even think about that. We don't know how to cook. What are we going to do? Oh, it's okay. No one is here yet. We know, but we invited Queen Elsa and Princess Anna over. Oh no, Peppa Pig and George. We have to hurry, or else they will be sad. Oh yes. What should we do? No problem. Me and my buddies will help you make some burgers. Oh, thank you. Will you do that for us? Yes, of course. You are doing a good deed. Yay! Peppa Pig? Yes? Do you have any money in your cashier? If you do, we can buy some bread. It will be much easier. Let's have a look. Oh no! We don't even have a penny. It's okay. What are we going to do? No problem. We can bake some. Yes, let's go bake some bread. So we have all the tools we need to make bread and also the vegetables like lettuce, cucumbers, tomatoes to put in the burgers. And we also have a frying pan to fry our little fries inside here. So let's begin making our special delicious dishes. First we need some flour to make our bread's dough. Let's add flour into our pan. Like this. See? That's enough flour. Let's properly fix it in the pan so the bread is in a good shape after it comes out. Like this. So let's put it in the oven. In the oven. Like that. So turn the heat up. Look, it's rolling inside. Can you see? Look, it started cooking. So while we wait for the dough to cook inside, we're going to cut some veggies. Let's go. So we need 2 potatoes for the fries, 1 cucumber, some lettuce, some more lettuce, and pepper. Let's start cutting them. So we already peeled the potatoes. See? Let's start cutting them. Put them on the chopping board. Let's start cutting them. Like that. See? Wow. We are doing a good job. Keep cutting. Wow, look. We already have a lot of fries, see? Let's put them on the side. We have one more left. Let's cut it like this. So now, let's take this pan, put a little bit oil inside, and then let's put some fries that we just cut and put them for frying. Wow, that's good. Let's cover it so it cooks slowly and they're properly cooked inside. So we have our bread cooking and also our fries here. So let them cook properly and let's move on to cutting some veggies. So here's our chopping board and our veggies. Let's start cutting them. So we have lettuce here, see? We're going to cut it in very fine shapes. We can make salad out of it, and we can also put this lettuce inside our burgers. So let's start cutting. Cut it in fine slices like this. See, like that. So we cut the lettuce very well. Let's turn it from the other side and cut it even smaller, so they fit properly inside the burgers and also make a very good salad like that. See? That's a good cut salad. Now we're going to take a plate and put the salad inside it. So here's a plate. Let's put the salad inside. We're going to use half of the salad because half of it we're going to put inside the burgers. Like this. Separate them from each other like that. Now we're also going to cut some cucumbers. So let's cut some cucumbers. We're going to cut them in round shapes. Like that, see? Wow. Add some on the salad like this. And the rest we're going to cut for our burgers. Like this. Now let's mix the lettuce and the cucumbers together like this. See? Wow, that's a nice salad. Now we're going to find some cherry tomatoes. Let's put some cherry tomatoes inside our salad. Oops. A little more. Like this. Let's sprinkle some black pepper and some salt. So now let's mix it properly. So our salad is done. Look. Nice, right? Let's put it on the side. Ding! Did you hear that, buddies? I think our dough is ready. Do you see it inside? Let's open it. Wow, it smells good. Let's take it out. But remember, it's hot. Be careful. Wow, that's a beautiful brown color. So let's put a cover on it and put it right here. So now our bread is ready. So let's check our fries. Let's turn the fire down. Wow, our fries are also ready. You see that? That's nice, right? Let's cook them a little more. Like this. Turn the heat back on. Like that. So now let's take the bread out. Wow! So one side of our bread is ready. But we also need to make the other side. So let's put this bread on this chopping board and make another base. So you need white flour again. Take a spoon. Like that. I think that's enough. So let's fix it again. So the base is nice and the shape is also good. Like this. So let's put it back in the oven. Like this. Do you see it moving inside? Yes, it means it's on. So let's wait for the base of this bread to be ready while we fix this bread. So let's cut the bread from the side to make it a perfect round circle. See? Like that. Like that. See? That's nice. Let's put it here and wait for the other bread. Oh no! We forgot about the meat. So we're going to use a can of ham. So let's open it. Make it into a nice shape and we're going to fry it then. So let's put the ham here now and check if our fries is done. Turn the heat down. They're done. So let's take a plate. Just take it out. See, our fries are done. So we have the ham here. Let's take the pan and just flatten it out inside the pan. Like this. Now cover the top. Turn the heat on and let the ham cook. Ding! Oh! So our bread is ready. So let's take it out. Wow! It's a beautiful brown color. Wow! And it smells good. So take a sharp knife. Try to take it out slowly. Try not to break the bread. And voila! Here's the bread. Let's put it here. And put the bread we cut before to cut exactly the same as the bread we cut before. So slowly cut it like this. There. Now let's smooth the sides out like this. See? Now let's see the meat. Wow, it's cooked. Let's take it out. Wow, see the shape. So let's put the meat on the bread. So let's put the lettuce on like this. Now let's put some cucumbers on. We're going to put 1, 2 cucumbers. Now let's put some tomatoes. 1 tomato. Like this. See? Now let's put this bread on. Wow, that's a nice hamburger, right? You see that? A juicy hamburger. So our hamburger is ready. Let's take a plate and put the hamburger on the plate like this. You see this lovely hamburger? Wow! Has a lot of fresh vegetables, a juicy big slice of ham, and freshly baked bread. So let's put it with the other delicious dishes. So Queen Elsa and Anna were here. Welcome to my burger palace. How are you, Queen and Princess? It's okay. We are good. So what do you serve here? We serve delicious hamburgers, healthy salads, and crispy crisp fries. And also some soda. Would you like to have some? What do you say, Anna? Sure. So Peppa went and prepared the order. So here are crispy crisp fries, healthy salad, and also a juicy hamburger. So salad, crispy crisp fries, and a juicy hamburger. Something is missing. What do you think is missing? Yes, it's the soda. The soda is missing. See? So, it's time for Anna and Elsa to try the food. So they took their royal cutleries and tried the fries first. Here, Queen Elsa, and here Princess Anna. That's delish. So now it's time to try the salad. Let's take some cucumber, lettuce, and some tomatoes. See? Try some. Wow! It tastes healthy too. So, here, Queen, try some salad. Wow! That tastes very healthy. So it's time for trying this juicy burger. So here's the burger. and the sodas. So let's have a little cut from the side. Oops. Here, try some. Wow, that's so juicy, delicious. Here, Anna, try some. Never tried so delicious burger ever. So it's time to drink their sodas. So they were full and had food all over their faces. See? Queen Elsa has some juicy burger on her face. Also look at Princess Anna. She also has some food on her face. It really was delicious, right? Yes, it was very delicious. We enjoyed it a lot. So George came in and took all the dishes with him. Can I take your glasses? Sure, George. So he took the glasses as well. And now Peppa Pig and George came here to ask them if they have some charity to give to their fun fair at their school. Yes, we would like to give you some charity. So they took out their credit card. So Peppa Pig, how much do we have to pay? So Peppa Pig said, "It's okay if you don't pay. It was a treat." "No, Peppa Pig, it's your first job. I would love to pay." So Peppa Pig punched in the numbers. $10 for 2 drinks plus $20 for a juicy burger plus $11 for the french fries plus $15 for a healthy salad equals $56. So Queen Elsa took out her credit card. Wow! So it's time to pay. Oh wow! So they already paid. But wait! Elsa wanted to give something else. Elsa gave Peppa Pig and George some tip. Wow, that's a lot of cash. It's your tip. But it's a lot. We can't take that. It's okay, Peppa Pig. It's from the Queen. Okay. So now, Queen Elsa and Anna left to go to home. And Peppa Pig and George were looking at the cash. Wow, we earned a lot from just one customer. So now, they were going to put their cash in their cash register. Wow, that's a lot of cash, Peppa Pig and George. We earned a lot today. Yes, we earned a lot. Thank you everyone for helping us raise some money and helping us learn to cook. I hope you also learned something. Thank you. Bye-bye. And wait, please like and subscribe to our channel. We love you. Bye-bye.